Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo Y76. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Then let's go to gift card and similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. Let's enter it, and if you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.